In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to create a transparent gradient in Canva and how we can do this. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is we have to go to the Google Chrome and make sure that you signed into the Canva over here like this. Once you get into the Canva, this is one of my recently done projects. I'm demonstrating it with an example. Once you get into the Canva, what you need to do is we have to go over here, click on the elements. Now from here we need to navigate to the shapes, and before that you have to add any kind of image that you wanted to make it. For example, what I'll try to do is I'll just go over here. I'll do one thing, I'll just keep this image over here like this, and I'm just going to bring you the gradient over here. So I'll just add this particular image here like this. Now once you take any kind of an image, what you need to do is just go over here in the left side and click on the elements, and from here you need to navigate to the shapes. From the shapes, you need to click on the basic shape. That is all about. You can select this one over here. Once you add it, you can just move it this one over here like this. Make sure that you completely cover this particular image like this. Once it's successfully done, you have to go over here, click on the color palette. Now in the color palette, as you can see, we have two options, the default and solid colors. And also over here at the bottom, you can see we have default gradient colors. So what I'll go for this one over here like this. Once it is selected, you have to just go over here at the top and you have to click on this. Now just click on this particular color. Now once you click on the color that is selected, now if you go over here, you can go to the gradient colors. If you wanted, you can select it. Now over here at the bottom, once you select it, you can see there is an option over here called this one. So this is actually for the transparency. So you can lower the transparency like this. As you can see, when you keep this 100%, you're not able to see this, but if you lower this down, you can see the image over here like this. Now, once you set up the transparency color over here based on your requirement, you can set this up for the first kind of transparency. And once you set this up, you can just go for it OK. And this is how we can do this. And also, if you wanted to add the multiple colors or multiple gradient, that is also possible. You can add it as per your need. And this is how we can do this. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.